Kumno bro alim ta kasing nyepek biang sa santali ki sentence haka spoken English. Ka sentence beningkong. That makes sense. Kani de khasi kamut kata kasngo day. Lani kata kasngo biang. Sentence baar. How about we try this instead? Kani de khasi kamut ngin persyang no da kani ne. Kala ruban mut ngin persyang no da kumni ne. Tok sentence belai. Could you give me a moment? Daga khasi kamut pila ban aipor yang khendian lani pila ban up yang khendian. Sentence ke basau I appreciate your help. Kani de khasi kamut ngasngungu na kabenta ka jingerap jongpi. To kabasan what do you think about that? Daga khasi kamut pisngo kumno halor kata.